Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for May the 20th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, Chinese authorities announced price cuts of more than 50% for 3 drugs, including AstraZeneca's Iressa. The monthly cost of the lung cancer therapy will be slashed from 15,000 yuan to 7,000 yuan. Meanwhile, the National Health and Family Planning Commission said the cost of GlaxoSmithKline's hepatitis B drug Viread would fall to 490 yuan a month from 1,500 yuan, with the cost of Betta Pharmaceuticals' lung cancer treatment Icotinib dropping from 12,000 yuan to 5,500 yuan. Also in the news, the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence recommended against NHS reimbursement of Roche's Perjeta to treat HER2-positive breast cancer. The agency noted that it is uncertain how the responses to treatment seen in the clinical trials translate into long-term benefits for patients. In addition, ahead of an FDA advisory panel meeting, agency staff queried the possible uses and interpretation of clinical trial data for Novo Nordisk's diabetes therapy IDegLira. Reviewers suggested that limitations of clinical trials supporting the submission make the findings difficult to interpret. And finally, Valeant Pharmaceuticals received a notice of default from some bondholders over a delay in the filing of its first quarter financials. The notice gives Valeant 60 days to file the report to avoid a default, although the company said it still expects to make a submission before June the 10th. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.